All right, killer deal. This was just posted at the Milwaukee tool groups. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Hopefully, everybody's having a great weekend. Right, so we got the M18 fuel lithium brushless cordless drywall screw gun kit with two 5 ampere batteries and charger and two bag. Excuse me, I was just doing some drywall right now. I'm getting some dust in my throat. As a matter of fact, I was just doing drywall, so I was actually using something similar to this, but the DeWalt brand. But this is the Milwaukee Fuel, so this is a newer one. It does come with two batteries, charger, and a case. Check this out, $299. But you're gonna go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the you're gonna select the most expensive one, which is yep the oscillating tool, which is $229. That's in case you want this, right? Check this out. $169, guys. $169 for the kit. That is a killer deal. The oscillating tool is $129. It is worth it to keep both of these. Again, this is the brand new or the newer oscillating tool fuel. And you're getting and the screw gun. This is the newer screw gun that they have. The fuel. So guys, I'll leave you guys the affiliate link, the YouTube shopping cart link down below in the description section of the video. And you have a great rest of your weekend. See you guys on the next one.